Welcome. So let's do some of the questions that were asked in the CUET PG examination 2025 for mass communication. Now, under mass communication, as we have seen, many of the questions pertain to general science, general knowledge. Many of the questions were asked on books and authors, talking about the major movies, the major news patterns, then talking about focusing on the computers, the major softwares, their roles. For example, Adobe, then you have Corel. So Corel is used for vector graphics, Premiere Pro is used for video editing, Illustrator is used for image processing, so on and so forth. So those kind of questions have been asked. So we'll be discussing few of those that have been that we'll be able to cover here. So the first one is, who appoints the vice chairman for Niti Aayog? Now Niti Aayog is National Institution for Transforming India, and this is a think tank policy structure for government which talks about the bottom up approach in contrast to Planning Commission, which focused on the top down approach. Now Prime Minister serves as the chairperson for Niti Aayog, and the vice chairperson is of the rank of cabinet, being appointed by the Prime Minister of India. So the vice chairman, is responsible for the day-to-day task of Niti Aayog and bringing a strategic planning and the focus for same. The next is, fundamental rights are covered under part 3 of the constitution. Now this is a very basic question from the basics of or the fundamentals of constitution. Now part 3 deals with fundamental rights. These fundamental rights are the foundational rights. Then you must also know the difference between fundamental rights, fundamental duties, directive principles of state policies, which countries we took which part, right? So where does the idea of concurrent list comes from, where does the idea of legislature comes from, and so on and so forth, right? So all those kind of questions related to political science again becomes important. The next is, the latest symbol of rupee that we commonly use nowadays has been evolved from. So this evolved from Devanagari as well as Roman. So under Roman it is the word R, and in the Devanagari script it is the word Ra, which means rupiah, and the combined of these two came in as the form of rupee symbol that has been used in India, and this has been done under the research which was done by D. Uday Kumar, and this was officially recognized as a symbol for Indian currency in 2010. So Roman and Devanagari script is the correct option. The next is the books and authors, as we said. So A Passage to India has been written by E.M. Forster, one of the very famous English novelists, and this book talks about the relation between the British colonizers and the Indian people at the time of the British era, and it focuses on the racial prejudice, the misunderstandings based on culture, and even the friendly relations across cultures. So this is a very unique literature and one of the very famous ones. Now another question was from the basics and the fundamentals of economics, talking about the terms which are used for markets. Now if there are few large companies, it is called as oligo means few. If there are two, it is called as duopoly. If it's just one, it is called as a monopoly firm. So here the correct answer would be oligopoly. Now these were some of the questions that have been asked under the mass communication. Now as we said, mass communication is usually a kind of more of general awareness based paper, right? So practicing more on mass communication would help you attain good insight. So here are some of the details that you can check for mass communication. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back on the number below. On Exam PYQ, the complete comprehensive coverage is available. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.